Hello there everybody, my name is ItsDestini and today I'll be showing you how to fix the YouTube streaming API error. So let's begin. So let's see how that problem actually looks like. Go and click on start streaming, then we need to manage our broadcast and like as we can see here are like all of the basic stream settings. Now if we were to start up the stream, if we go BAM, and now let's see what happens. It's trying to do it. It's like trying to, and now as we can see, this is the error that we get by starting the stream. So let's see how to fix this. So the first thing that you want to do is go to settings, go to stream, and the thing is, as you can see, we've connected our YouTube account to direct, but seems like this is the problem. So how do we fix this? We want to go disconnect account. So that's the first and the most important step. Now, as we've just disconnected our account from OBS, we want to go use stream key. What you want to do now is like go to get stream key, and this like should open your YouTube studio, depending on like of course which account you've previously connected. As you can see, we are connected like to our main account in this case, and now what you want to do is click on like copy, so you get like the stream key here, and if you want you can like reset it for security reasons, I guess. If you want to copy the stream key, then return to OBS and then paste the stream key there. So yeah, we've pasted it. BAM. Do not click show because yeah, that's not really gonna be the best thing. So we want to go okay, and now if we go to start streaming, boys and girls, as you can see, it all works. As you can see, we're working on the green thingy, and as you can see here, we are alive. Excellent connection, everything works. As you can see, the stream is on, and that's it.